Oh mga Lods, good morning. Eto na naman ako. After last night, 3 hours of like observing. This one right here is more on recording. Eto yung nagde-depend ako dito because you know why? I'm more on observer, because it's kind of hard to execute while on the actual learning, right? Because they don't have no time to wait for you. And I'm a little bit slow. I'm new to this. I'm old school. So that's one of the reasons why I'm like depending on the recordings. So eto ako, and the good part about the recording, I could pause, follow, and then I could replay, and I could rewind, stuff like that if I didn't understand. So for the meantime, eto ako, nagtsatsaga sa recording in the morning. It was last night for 3 hours, right? And it was pretty cool, I mean, you could learn a lot of things, especially I like, or I love editing, right? And now I learned a lot of stuff that I didn't know before. And we're actually using Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. So it's pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of freebies. And I'm thinking about buying the more advanced one, right? He has offering, actually, he was offering a lot of discount and freebies, and it's gonna be until Sunday. So sana makabili ako, man, because, I really need them to further my knowledge. It's pretty cool. Since I love editing, this is it right here. I mean, this is it, pansit. Pero I didn't know what I got myself into. Ang hirap pala nito, especially I'm all old school. But it's all to the good, man. I'm all for it.